Hi, I'm Ms. Fung. Let's look at volumes of prisms. If you don't know what prisms are, there's a really short video and you can go there by clicking on the little eye in the corner. Volume. We can measure volume of 3D shapes using centimeters cube or meters cube. So volume is the space of a 3D shape. Let's have a look at a few shapes. Here we have a centimeter cube. Here we'd have a 4 centimeter cube. What about this one? That would be double that, or in other words, 2 times 4, which is 8 centimeters cube. What about this one? That one's 4 times 5 this time, which is 20 centimeters cube. I'm sure you didn't sit there and count 1, 2, 3, 4 slowly, but I'm sure you did 4 times 5. Or in other words, you took the area 4 and you multiplied it by height 5. So that's a quick way to work out the volume. So let's use that, area times height. So the area for this one is 4 and the height is 5. So we multiply them together to get 20 centimeters cube. What about this one? The area would be 5 and the height is 3. So their volume is 15 centimeters cube. Let's try example 2. The area is given to us as 12 centimeters squared and the height is 10. So we can put A times H, 12 times 10 is equal to 120 centimeters cube. Example 3. To find the volume, we have to find the area first and then the height because the area is not given to us. Now the area can be length times width, the rectangle, and then the height is the third value. Now it doesn't matter where the length and W are and the height because it's a rectangular prism. So let's do 6.2 times 4.3 and then the height as 5.5. Now we would get 146.63 centimeters cube. Be very careful not to accidentally use the same value more than once. What about this one, a triangular prism? Now which area is going to be repeating itself across this cross section? It's a triangle, so the area we're looking for is half height times b, and the height therefore will be that 30 over there. So half height is 4, base is 6, and h in terms of the height of the whole volume of the shape is 30. Be very careful in this example, the height of the triangle and the height of the whole shape is not the same h. So I like to use capital H when I refer to the 3D, the whole shape, so that I don't get confused with the H of the triangle. So make a note of that. Triangle height and height of the whole shape, not the same. Okay, plug that into the calculator, we get 360 meters cube. What about this shape? It is a cylinder and it is not a prism. Remember, because a prism has to have polygons on both ends. But the formula still applies because it's the same cross section. So here we have diameter, so the radius has to be divided by 2, which is 4. And now we can do pi r squared times h, the area as pi r squared and h as 12. So r is 4, plug that in. So now we have 603.2 centimeters cube. Last example. This one is quite tricky. It looks simple, but I've done 2 little things that might trip you. So first of all, I've given you one too many pieces of information. So you have to choose wisely which values to use. And secondly, if you look carefully, the units are not the same. So you have to use the same units. So you have to convert units. So the area that we're going to use, or the area of the cross section, is a triangle. So half height times base. And therefore the height would be the 2.7. So we don't even need this 6 here. It's just there to make sure you know what you're doing and not randomly putting numbers in. So the height of the triangle it's only 4 meters and the base is 4.5. I'm going to use meters for this example. And the height is 2.7 again. So the volume is 24.3 meters cubed. Now give it a go, make sure that you get the same working out and you can use the calculator to obtain the same value. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.